I am standing in my front yard. I don't know if you can see the flashes going on behind me or hear the booms, but it's like a photo exhibit out here. It's like flash bulbs are going off, lightning everywhere, thunder. A minute ago we lost power to the house. I'll just wait for a really loud crack before I stop this. Hopefully the tree right in front of me doesn't get zapped. Or me. There is lightning going on everywhere. Let's see if I can catch some of it. Can you see that? That is lightning striking all over the place. Every couple of seconds there's a strike. There was a big one. This is your Texas thunderstorm that came out of nowhere. It was really hot today and the temperature dropped off the radar. Now it is pouring rain in buckets and thundering and storming all around me. This is my welcome home fireworks show. I consider myself welcomed. It's good to be home.